Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Binance deposit address. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to the wallet section. From there, select Deposit Crypto. You'll then choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to deposit, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Crucially, select the correct network, such as ERC20 or BEP20, ensuring it matches your sending platform. Your unique deposit address will then be displayed for you to copy. For some cryptocurrencies, like XRP or Stellar Lumens, a memo or tag is also required in addition to the deposit address. This numeric or alphanumeric code helps Binance identify your specific account, especially when multiple users share a single deposit address. Failing to include the correct memo can result in your funds being lost or significantly delayed, requiring complicated recovery processes. Always check if a memo is needed. Once you have your deposit address and any required memo, carefully copy them. It's vital to double-check every character of both the address and memo to ensure accuracy. A single incorrect digit or letter can lead to irreversible loss of funds. Also, always confirm that the network you selected on Binance precisely matches the network of the platform you are withdrawing from. This step is critical for a successful and secure transaction. Finally, paste the copied Binance deposit address and memo into the corresponding fields on your external wallet or exchange. Before you hit send, take a moment to review all the transaction details one last time. Confirm the cryptocurrency, amount, network, address, and memo are all correct. After confirming, your deposit will be processed. Remember to check the description below for helpful links and other great deals. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Happy depositing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.